think these tokens, these other currencies that are coming up all the time, they're tokens, you might want to explain a little bit about how they work, because ultimately it's a new evolution. Is this cannibalizing the original cryptocurrency, or is it spawning something that is going to make it even greater?
Well, no, tokens are a whole new asset class. I mean, this is basically capitalism 2.0. It's a totally new asset class of digital assets which are open, permissionless and decentralized. And so on the digital currency architecture that Bitcoin has built, on top of that we are building digital tokens that can be transferred permissionlessly between anyone who has a wallet and anyone who wants to participate. And so instead of all these walled gardens, all these intermediaries and wealth managers and custodians sitting there holding on to your assets and I'm not sure if we're going to let you have your money. No, because it's ours, you see. All of this goes away when you have digital tokens, because everyone can hold their own assets in their own wallet and manage their own assets and decide permissionlessly without having to fill in forms and say, oh, do you mind if I do that? Could I transfer this here? Is that all right? No, okay, enough of that. So tokens represent a whole new world, effectively, of digital assets.
Just to give an example of a token and what's behind, I don't mean what's backing it, but what gives it its value?
Well, basically what gives it its value is network effect and its usage within a private network. So
give an example of a token.
We have, for example, basic attention token, which is a token that was recently created, and effectively it gives you tokens for giving attention to adverts within a browser, and then you can use those tokens to consume content within the browser. So you create a sort of scarce private network, and the tokens are utility within the network. And obviously now we're working on having tokens which are sort of like securities, or which tokenize other sorts of property. And obviously tokenizing property and assets and stocks and the representation of ownership and lots of different multi-dimensional forms of ownership, is going to be an incredible change in the entire financial system. And so we're moving very fast to tokenizing everything and to taking it away from intermediaries.